Hey guys, I have been so lazy to pick up my phone and just vlog for you, but yeah, next week I was supposed to go to the salon. I've been thinking since my hair really looks bad right now, I've been planning to go to the salon from next week. But now of late kumekuwa too sunny and I think it's a good time for me to go to the swimming. Yeah, I'm supposed to go for swimming maybe next week, the same week that I was planning to go and do my hair, but I can't go do my hair and then go for swimming. I'm supposed to go swim, then go to the salon, but still I am supposed to go to I am paying for something, a kitenge dress, because I'm supposed to go for a function. They gave me 3.0. Itakuwa date 8 of March. So I had paid for someone to make for me a dress. That is like 2 weeks ago. Nililipa deposit, then I am supposed to pay the rest. But ameniambia ashamalizia. And now that sijui naona next week iko mbali sana for me to like fit the dress ndo nione venye itakuwa. I think I will just send someone to get it for me ndo in case ikuwe haiko venye ningetaka niende nayo next week aitengeneze tena. So I will just send someone to pick it for me today. Today is on Friday. I have tomorrow, but I will be at work, so that as I plan for a day off next week, niende swimming, alafu niende salon, and still if kuna anything that's not okay with the dress, pia nipeleke atengeneze. So I will ask her kama anaweza tuma mse a rider to bring the parcel for me, ama I can send my own guy aende anichukulie. Yeah, my hair is really dry right now. I haven't moisturized it like in a week. Yeah, that's the only update that I am doing right now. I'm still at work, but the dress ikifika, I think nitavaa. I will just wear it and show how it is, and just to confirm that iko sawa before the due date, that is in March. Today is on 21st, so we have like 18 days to go. So I just wanted to update you on that. So I will see you maybe on Tuesday ama Wednesday as I go for swimming and to the salon. So let me see you later. Bye. Hello guys, good evening. Yeah, it's around 10:07. I've just closed work. I've just changed to this kitenge. I remember last week on Friday, is it on Friday or Saturday? Yes, it was on Friday. I was supposed to get this kitenge from the person who was making it for me, and it got delivered, but I feel like I was not impressed with the outcome, and I just want to wear it so that I can share with you how it was made. Yeah, it's comfortable, but I feel like around my bust area it's a bit tight. I talked to her, akaniambia anaweza resize, so I'm supposed to go to a place on today is on Tuesday. I'm supposed to go to a place on Thursday. Supposed to go for to the swimming pool. I think I will go tomorrow. I will just set a few hours maybe in the afternoon because I'm supposed to be at work tomorrow, but I feel like I can schedule for a few hours so that I can go swimming before the rainy season comes back. Yeah, I'll go swimming tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to carry or to tag you along with me. Yeah, I just hope I'll be able like to vlog. a little bit. So I've just finished like filming the portrait side of this outfit. I'll just insert it up sideways so that you can see how it looks like, and maybe give me a comment about it. I feel like the length and the sizing is just perfect and decent, but I feel like the bust area, it's a bit tight. If that is something she can work with to make it a little bit comfortable and fitting, it's okay. But generally I feel like she did a good job. Not used to wearing kitenge, so yeah, it's just comfortable. But for the event pair, I feel like the length ni, I feel like ni mrefu. So for tomorrow I will go to the swimming pool. I hope to enjoy myself. I just want to go for a kitu 1 hour hivi. I will be done so that I can come back to work. One thing about my work, I do not even get time like to stay at my place, because I have to go from Sambili to around 9:30 or 10, and by the time I'm back to the house I just sleep. So this place ni kama tu sleeping place for me. I usually come here to sleep because everything else, including kupika, I get it done from my place of work. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna see you tomorrow as we go to the swimming pool. For the hair, I feel like after swimming kesho, this is how it's looking now, but I've been enjoying like rocking it ikiwa hivi without a retouch. But I feel like after tomorrow nikishaingia kwa maji, I will have to go to the salon maybe on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday I will go for a retouch. I will keep you updated. For now, let me wish you a good night. Yeah, and let me see you tomorrow.
First Phoenix, first Focus, shake this Every time I sit and wonder how the story came to be, I hope that I can still remember the pride you washed all over me. I'm so mad this time. It's not at you, no. It's not at you.
I told you, niliwaambia jana I would come swimming today. So the swimming pool is so huge. Yeah, swimming pool iko huge. I've never been to this place before, and I've just arrived, taken a few pictures. Niko peke yangu, so I'm using my little tripod stand to shoot. Jaribu kuchukua tu pictures kiasi. Right now I just want to go change, nikuje ni swim for around 30 minutes. Nishalipa. I'm already wearing this. The swimming pool charges, they are charging for 300 on board kids. They are charging 300 for both kids and adult on weekdays, and then 500 on holidays and weekends. So yeah, I want to go change, nikuje ni swim. I don't know kama nitakula. I will just eat at home, but right now I just want to go change. Ningie kwa maji kidogo tu, then by saini sangapi? It's 13:35. I have up to 4 p.m. So niko na how many hours from saa 8 to saa 9? I have 2 hours, so I will swim, rest and maybe snack kidogo before I go back. The last time I was swimming nilikuwa hapa tu Spa Mall, iko hapa tu next. Let me show you. That is Spa Mall, Verona Hotel. This is where I went swimming. They have a heated swimming pool. I was there like last month, but leo I was trying this new place. Yeah. Let me go change. I'm excited for today, and my outfit is fire. If I haven't shown you, it's fire. It's beautiful and it's looking good on me. So wacha niende ni change, I swim kidogo, rest kiasi, and then I will go back home. These are washing rooms and the changing rooms. That is the pool over there. Yeah. Let me change. Oh, pressure. I'm done swimming for today, so I wanna go grab something to eat. Nimeparara. Yeah, every time I use chlorinated water, my skin turns. Sikubeba sunscreen, but now I have to go get something to eat, then niende home.
That's making me nervous, 'cause
in the house. It's 48 minutes past 5 p.m. and yeah, nilijichocha venye nitarudi by 4 p.m. but it's almost 6 p.m. and I enjoyed the day. So let me just right now relax for a few minutes before I resume the work of today, and most probably I will see you tomorrow. I don't know about my hair. I feel like after swimming imekuwa safi kidogo. Maybe I need to moisturize and yeah, just moisturize and see kama nitaenda salon kesho. If I will not go to the salon, plus I am supposed to take my kitenge dress to the tailor, so most probably I will go tomorrow ama on Friday, because I have to post this video on Saturday before 2 p.m. yeah, so if I do not step out tomorrow, I'll do so on Friday, and if not hizo vitu zote nitashughulikia on Monday, and most probably I will post this video up to here. But it's been a beautiful day. Yeah, acha nipumzike for at least 10 minutes, then I will open up and let me see you later.